The drone, Foldable FPV Camera E88 is designed with an adjustable high-definition camera, allowing users to capture breathtaking aerial images and videos effortlessly. Equipped with user-friendly features such as optical flow positioning and one-button takeoff, this drone is perfect for beginners and children looking to enjoy a seamless flying experience. Its foldable and portable design, combined with a carrying bag, makes it easy to transport, while two powerful batteries provide an impressive 40 to 50 minutes of flight time. One key takeoff and advanced optical flow positioning ensure the drone remains stable, capturing high-quality photos and videos with ease. The drone is capable of performing exciting maneuvers like 360-degree flips and can follow preset paths for added fun and creativity. Comprehensive after-sales support, including technical assistance and a quality warranty, ensures users have a satisfying and worry-free experience with the drone.